Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about the worldwide market share of the different versions of Windows 10. We have the numbers that are monthly around 25th, 26th of the month. So according to these numbers, the Windows 10 20H2 or the October 2020 update has moved up to only about 3%. So we're at 20%, as you see on the upper right here. So 1 out of 5 Windows 10 users are now on the latest version, the October 2020 update. The update pace is very slow. We could see that it doesn't really gain that much. In December was 13.6%. In January was 16.8%. And now February we're at 20%. So it's a slow move ahead. We'll see if that changes over time. Now, the most important version of Windows 10 right now, the one that the majority of people are on, is the Windows 10 version 2004. That's the May 2020 update you see here on your left. 41.8% of all of you are there. So together, the two versions of last year account for 61.8% of the Windows market right now in Windows 10. So we are at a certain majority of you guys that are over there. But it is to note that it's quite interesting to see that 1909, that's the November 2019 update, that is actually going to get end of support in May, is still used by 26.8% of all of you. That's, more than 1 out of 4 users of Windows 10 are still in that old version right now. How many of those are blocked because of some blocker or simply because of some the Conexon HD audio problem? It's hard to know because it's very difficult to know what's the percentage of people with those devices that aren't actually available. But it is interesting to see that there's still so many people in that version that is now going to have end of support in exactly 3 months from now. So March, April, and May are the 3 months you're going to get security updates, and then it's over. So interesting numbers to look at. And of course, insiders 0.3%, a little higher. That we'll discuss in the insider rings. So the majority on one of the two 2020 updates, but there's still a lot of people on the November 2019 update. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.